Hello everyone, this is a part number 5, series number 2. Question number 81. Sejanus' Fall play is written by, options are Ben Jonson, William Shakespeare, John Dryden, Christopher Marlowe. Correct answer, option number A, Ben Jonson. It is a tragedy about Lucifer, performed at a court in 1603 and at a Globe Theatre in 1604. Next question. Which one of the following tragedy is written by Keats? Hamlet, Tamlin the Great, Duchess of Malfi, Otho the Great. Correct answer, option number D, Otho the Great. Tragedy in a 5-act, written by John Keats in 1819 in a collaboration with his friend Charles Brown, who planned his construction. Next question. Who called John Dryden the father of English criticism? Samuel Johnson, Matthew Arnold, Ben Jonson, William Shakespeare. Correct answer, option number E, Samuel Johnson. When was Pope's The Rape of Lock published? 1712, 1710, 1708, 1715. Correct answer, option number A, 1712. The Rape of the Lock. It is a mock heroic narrative poem by Pope. It was first published anonymously. Next question. A character named Clarissa appears in which one of the following works by Pope? Options: An Asian Criticism, The Rape of the Lock, Windsor Forest, The Temple of Fame. Correct answer, option number B, The Rape of the Lock. Next question. Where is Jonathan Swift from? America, Ireland, Australia, China. Correct answer, option number B, Ireland. Jonathan Swift was an Anglo-Irish satirist, essayist, political pamphleteer, poet, and Anglican cleric, who became Dean of St. Patrick's Cathedral, Dublin, in Ireland. Next question. What does the spider represent in Swift's Battle of Books? Ancient writers, modern writers, ancient singers, modern singers. Correct answer, option number B, modern writers. Spider represents modernism. Next question. What does the bee represent in the Swift's Battle of Books? Ancient writers, modern writers, ancient singers, modern singers. Correct answer, option number A, ancient writers. Bee represents classicism. Next question. What was the first name of the Gulliver in Gulliver's Travel? Samuel, Travel, Lemuel, James. Correct answer, option number C, Lemuel Gulliver. Lemuel Gulliver is the fictional protagonist and narrator of Gulliver's Travel, novel written by Jonathan Swift, published in 1726.
Question number 90. What was the genre of Henry Fielding's Joseph Andrew? Gothic, picaresque, epistolary, sentimental. The answer is picaresque.
Next question. Henry Fielding was appointed as London's chief. Options: clerk, magistrate, mayor, minister. Correct answer, option number B, magistrate. Henry Fielding, born on 22 April 1707 and died 8th of October 1754, was an English novelist and dramatist known for his early humor and satire. Next question. Which one of the following poem of play deals with racial discrimination? Songs of Innocence, The Marriage of Heaven and Hell, Visions of Daughters of Albion, The Little Black Boy. Correct answer, option number D, The Little Black Boy. It is a poem by William Blake, included in his 1789 publication, Songs of Innocence. Next question. When was Wordsworth The Prelude published? Options: 1845, 1842, 1850, 1847. Correct answer, option number C, 1850. Published posthumously In 1850, they believed it is an autobiographical poem in blank verse by William Wordsworth. Next question. What was the title of Lord Byron's first book of poetry? The Corsair, Hours of Idleness, English Bards and Scotch Reviewers, Child Heralds, Pilgrimage. Correct answer option number B, Hours of Idleness. Published in 1807, Byron's first book of poetry. Next question. I awoke one morning and found myself famous. Who said I was blind? Options: Lord Byron, Matthew Arnold, P.B. Shelley, S.T. Coleridge. Correct answer option number A, Lord Byron. Full name: Lord George Gordon Byron, known as Lord Byron. Next question. The Revolt of Islam is written by Mary Lamb, Mary Wollstonecraft, P.B. Shelley, William Wordsworth. Correct answer option number C, P.B. Shelley. Revolt of Islam. It is a poem in 12 cantos composed by Shelley in 1817, published 1818. Next question. How many historical plays did Shakespeare write? 16, 12, 14, 10. Correct answer option number D, total 10 historical plays written by Shakespeare. Most famous are Henry V and Richard III. Next question number 98. Which one is William Shakespeare's first play? Options are Henry IV Part 1, Henry IV Part 2, Henry V, Henry VI Part 1. Correct answer option number D, Henry VI Part 1. Next question. Which one of the following play is based on Marlowe's Edward II? Options: Antony and Cleopatra, Henry VI Part 2, Richard II, Julius Caesar. Correct answer option number C, Richard II. Next question. Who set up the base of drama for Shakespeare? Options: Thomas Kyd, Thomas Nash, Christopher Marlowe, George Pillay. Correct answer option number C, Christopher Marlowe. The Marlowean theory of Shakespeare authorship holds that Elizabethan poet and playwright Christopher Marlowe was the main author of the poems and plays attributed to William Shakespeare.